You're a bit too hot when I go underwater. That's an interesting take. Okay, I think we're trying it to break through. Shit, shit, shit. Oh, he's dead. No, come on. Come on, come on, come on. I have to go out sooner. Fuck, I'm so dead. I should have just fucking tried to escape. Fuck. I can't get away. Oh man, like that dumb thing. I'm stuck. Not gonna lie, the anglerfish was also trash. Should we try to run? With our luck, we will encounter fucking everything that we don't like. And 600 meters are fucking 600 meters. In real life, this wouldn't be a problem to run that far. Shit. I spoke too soon. I fucking forgot there are piranhas everywhere. You're getting closer even. Take a break. Okay, this is our beach, and I think it's pretty safe around here. Come, get up here. Parkour. Meter. Should be doable. Oh man, we lost the anglerfish again. But yeah, it wasn't that great. We got like only a few silica pearls out of the even rarer. I have no idea how do we get like a normal supply of silica pearls for electronics, because this can't be a very good path. You can't find them anywhere. You don't go through all this trouble. At least a few should be now here. Okay, what's the, we have this. Okay, we could start this where it belongs. So what do we need else? We need some more stone foundation, stone tiles to build the outer wall. We need more metal to build a spike wall around our base. And what else do we need? Now let's build the stone wall. Let's put all the stuff back away. Armor. Weapons. Maybe something like that. What can you use these guys? It's stone. Stone there. 0, okay. We have only a few, so we need to cause this. And we empty all that to get that, and then we start crafting. We need stone. Can we craft like high stone walls? Yeah. This one? Yeah, it's this one. They're in combat? No, we killed someone. Something. Mm. How do we build it, like a stone wall with towers on the sides around here? Hmm. And we need a protection from those running dinosaurs, so we need at least some kind of wall around the outside. So nobody can fit through here. Not what I wanted to do. Okay, I can't place them down here. So I think we have to reorganize that. And then we have to put them down a bit better. And to do that, we do it. Can we put it like here? Okay. Ah, come on, really? Do we have something to align it with? pick this up. Six. I can put all of them in there for a moment. All in there. Okay. Then we need one for the dinosaurs to bring the stuff in, but we could also demolish them and make like windows frame out of them, so I can access them from the like big doorways. I want to 5. Do we have some empty ones, or I can... pick this guy up. They're like that much height, it's crazy. Pick this one up. One more and then you can start. Okay, this is too heavy. This is also too heavy. But for example, height, can we start in here? Can I upgrade my player? Not as much, okay. Okay, let's store all of the fiber and pipe in here. And for once the stone as well, but we do change them. And we could also use pick them up. Put them down. Now we need an access path. Pick it up. Pick it up. And this one. Then we have a path through here. And then you can put them down like that. And we need a wind turbine somewhere up here. There's another place with electricity. So we can now put all of this stuff. Pick it up. 6. Put it down here. And one more. So stone should be in these first ones. Fetch in here. Then we can store wood in here. Fiber here. Leather in here. Sheeting maybe here. Something like that. down as this first one. So we can build it like... Come on guys, you can... Okay, thank you. But nothing happened before that. He stood right by me. Next to me. Even. So if we change that to that, we should be able to access almost all of them. We have this work area. Can we put this stuff in here? Yeah, we can. And we can even more put even more. Okay, we have all of that. So I'll put this here. Yay. That's good. We have so much height. I have no idea what to do with it. Oh, I can't move, man. Shit. It's the charcoal, that's too heavy. Stone. Building parts could be stored back here, so they're far off. Okay, now we should be able to... Oh, come on, can't I... So much height. It's full. Okay. So we have this down. We do need like a ramp. And for that we need stone. Crafting, stone ramp, ramp. Stealing. Craft 8 of them. Should be good enough for them. So let's get more stone. Therefore we have this little guy. Why is there no stone around? Do we really have to travel so far? This drains the energy quite fast. Why is there no stone around? Should get some berries. Okay, yes. Why can't I hit these? How much stone will we get? Just use the stone. Not enter the obsidian and stuff. Just stone. 200 stone with each swing, that's quite good. Or more even. I think we have to upgrade his his carrying capacity to do and get more stuff. There's a scorpion. Did his corpse just vanish? Ah, this mountain scaling is trash. Come on, I can't. Come on, why can't I? He just mines stone. So much stone actually that we don't have to worry about anything stone related anymore. But he was a trouble to get anyway. So it's kind of just what we invested in paid off. Shit. Oh, this gives me actually quite a lot of stone. Yeah, come on. And I have to swing if you can't reach something. Come on, build this. And then we can try to build a wall, even out of stone, around this base. Let's see how fast the hitboxes are. Shit. We mine all this mountain. Hey, no. How do I tame this guy? I can't. Only he has to die. Oh, fuck off. Okay, it's not scaling. That's... Oh, oh shit. Bad luck. Is there a para attacking some Dilofs? It was kind of fast, but I don't think I have enough room to store this amount. I don't think we can store this all in here. I should upgrade this knife as well. We need another strategy. Maybe store two wood, two stones or something like that. Put this on here as well. And then I guess one stack full. Okay, more than that is not really plausible. And the rest we need is stone. Let's park this guy here. Here's my trusted free rhinoceros. We have to get going, deforestate this forest. It's not really more plausible to see something like that. It's the perfect mount to farm wood on a grand scale. Maybe he needs a bit more stamina, maybe some more. No, he's so fast. He's so fast. Carrying capacity is also great. Maybe we can get Pronto to farm berries faster. Let's get the gun with the Ankleo to get some fetch. He's also really fast. We need a quite big safety zone, I would say. Should we try to claim all this valley from this waterfall on the top to this waterfall? Maybe we have to park them a bit better. So let's go crafting. Foundations. How do we craft like a good wall? Stone gateway. Do we need that or a bigger one? Should we do the foundations? What are you saying about that? I have no idea. But we need one or two anyway. No. This was fast. No. Stone walls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, it's not in here, isn't it? Let's build our base first. What do we need for that? Where is the stored stuff? Here. There it is. And also the gates. I can't move. Okay, shall we build the entrance here, like something like that? I think that's good. Do we have the doors? No, we don't have the doors with us. But this is also the height of our walls we need. So let's build this up. Do we need windows? We need windows. Let's put dark. So we have. Oh, come on. Why is it? So we have built windows. Did we put it there? Yeah, I put it here. No. We need... I have to close this off, as well as this one. Move back, and then we can build a staircase. Ba-ba-ba-bam. Put this and this back. So how do we build this? Do we have wooden... some more walls? That's good. I don't have any ceilings, do I? Or do I should have some ceilings. Didn't I produce some ceilings? I did. We need 3 stairs up, so I would say something like... How about this? No. No. Where was it? Something like that? Then we would put a floor here. No, I don't like that. Then we need 7. How did I put it outside of the wall? Come on. I like personally design, but I think it's too hard over each other. I would say this is just the middle floor and this is the upper floor. So we need way more stone. Is the storage capacity of the no, is it no. No. Fuck it. Where is it? Close this away. I think this one, vault. Because for the increment points, cementing paste, metal ingots, polymer 90. That's polymer is quite expensive. How much can be stored in here? Can we see that somewhere? Access structures, storage, I guess. Metal storage. Oh, come on, it would be nice to know how much. What is this about? Composite. obsidian and cementing paste, so we need way more cementing paste. Cementing paste needs chitin. Where do we have all the chitin? Okay. Do we have more? In here, we don't. There's a bit more. This is nothing. This is inventory. What do we have here? No. We have some. Cementing paste even. And this glass stuff we don't. This can be stored somewhere else. This can be stored somewhere else. This can be stored somewhere else. These can be stored somewhere else. And that can be stored somewhere else, if at all. Stone. So we might have to go in the caves again. We need stone. $55. Wow, this is so tedious. Trophies. This also in here. Weapons, armor. Tools. Weapons. Ah, that's looking nice. I like it. I really like it. I would say I go on a hunt for chitin, and when I'm back, I'm back. So, see you then.